AI is changing everyday life, what you need to know and how to use it wisely. Interesting, di ba? Kahit hindi mo napapansin, AI or artificial intelligence is already a part of our daily life. Mula sa pinanonood natin, hanggang sa pinag-aaralan natin, hanggang sa mga products na lumalabas sa For You page mo, that is AI in action. Well, hello, I'm your teacher, Monica again. And if you've been following my short video lessons, you'll already know that my goal is to make learning simpler, faster, and more meaningful. One short video at a time. In my previous video, we talked about how technology keeps changing the way we live and learn. And today, pag-uusapan naman natin ang isa sa mga pinakamainit na topic ngayon, which is the artificial intelligence or the AI. So what exactly is AI? AI means it is a computer or machine that think and act like humans. They can write, draw, talk, or even solve problems. At baka hindi mo alam, pero ginagamit mo na pala ito araw-araw. For example, ChatGPT. Tumutulong ito na magsagot o mag-explain ng mga lessons. The Canva Magic Write, pang instant design or caption sa YouTube. TikTok, they might recommend videos you might like. That's AI working behind the scenes. Actually, ang dami ring benefit ng AI. Nakakatipid sa oras, mas madali ang pag-review or research, at nagiging mas creative ka sa projects mo. So in short, AI can be a great learning partner if you use it in the right way. Pero ito ang dapat mong tandaan. AI is not perfect. Minsan, mali yung mga informations na lumalabas dyan. Sometimes, sobrang nakaka-tempt gamitin para lang shortcut. At higit sa lahat, AI can't replace human values and emotion. Yes, AI can be smart, pero mas matalino pa rin kapag ginagamit mo ang sarili mong pag-iisip. Know or how to use AI wisely. So here are the 3 simple tips para magamit mo ang AI sa mas matalinong paraan. Use AI to learn, not to cheat. Always double check yung mga sagot o ideas nito. Next is protect your privacy. Never share personal information online. AI is already changing the world. Pero, nasa kamay mo pa rin kung paano ito gagamitin. Let's use to learn how to grow and to make life better, not easier. Again, this is your teacher Kai, and if you have learned something today, please like and share my video.